Hello, wonderful people. My name is Caitlin, and this is Busy Beader, and today we're going to be doing something new and fun, and I am just so excited about it. We are going to be unboxing! So my sponsor, Fire Mountain Gems and Beads, sent me this box full of all kinds of fun goodies. There are 2 Boss bead bags in here, which is kind of a wonderful hodgepodge of fun things. I don't know what's in it. You don't know what's in it. We're going to discover together what they sent me, as well as the materials that I'm going to be needing for May's craft. So we can kind of see that process from start to finish. I can get you guys excited about what May's going to look like. And it's just going to be so much fun to get to discover this with you and try something new. So if you like this video, please be sure to like and subscribe and let me know that you want to see more of this kind of content, because of course I want to make things that you guys want to see. So let me know what you think, and let's jump into seeing what's in this box, because it's been a couple of days since it got sent to me and I can barely contain my excitement any longer. So let's jump right in. And here it is. Ah, look at that. Oh, how cute. All of their packages come packed with love, which is just so adorable. My box is packed by Jason. And newest catalog. Oh, look. That looks like fun. Okay, and now to the goodies. I ordered so much fun stuff. I am just so excited to jump in. I don't know where to start. Okay, we're gonna start with this one. Oh, all right. So this is what I ordered for May's crafts. We are gonna be doing a bunch of flower bouquet style things. And that's what these little beads are. They are all flowers for the flower bouquets. See, they're just these beautiful little acrylic flowers, and I got them in like way too many sizes and colors. I've got some yellow and some like little baby ones that are yellow. They're little. And I got this like coral color. Let's see. Those are really pretty. They've got this beautiful matte finish on them, which is just gorgeous. Then we've got purple and this pink, almost fuchsia color. Look at those little cuties. And then we've got this like light pink color. I would also call that coral. We've got some more of these flower beads. When I tell you I just went a little bit crazy with these flower beads, I definitely did. But I am so excited to get to use these. We're gonna make some earrings and some hair sticks, which is what these are right here. If you have long hair, you can put your hair up with these, and these you get to like hand make. So we're gonna make these beautiful flower bouquets on the hair sticks and on some earrings, because springtime means fun flower time, in my opinion. There's some clear ones. I could open up my own flower bead store now. Just flowers, and I promise all of them are going to go to very good use. I got this beautiful array of like fun spring colors too over here. Oh, then I got these. These are super fun. They're called AccuGuards, and they help protect the edges of your string or like your flex cord so that it doesn't fray or break on clasps. We will definitely be using these. All right, and the fun part, the Boss bead bags. Well, we have some more flowers here first. Got some more red and fuchsia and white like daisies. Could make some really cute little daisies with these little guys here. These Boss bead bags are 1 pound of beads. So, and you don't know what's in it. You can't request anything. It's just a complete mystery. So I've never gotten one of these before, but I've always thought it was such a fun idea. So we're gonna find out together what is in this guy here. If I can get it open. Ooh. Okay, let's just rip into it. All right. Oh, look at how fun that is. A little turtle charm. Oh my goodness. Oh wow, I see a lot of earrings and a lot of bigger beads. Okay, I think I'm gonna bust it open. And we're just gonna So I got a little enthusiastic with opening our bag and made a little bit of a mess. So we're just gonna dive right in. Oh my goodness. Okay. So there's these cool little earrings. There's actually a bunch of these in here. Fun sets. You can add stuff to the smaller ones. And then there are beads. Look at that. That looks like a some kind of monster claw. It's got this really smooth texture, which is really cool. And oh, that's beautiful. That's a turquoise bead. Oh, this is like a little flower piece. How cool. Oh, there are so many fun things in here. Wow, this is just a beautiful piece here. It's actually got little, it looks like a little piece of fossil. It's kind of what it looks like. I'm not sure if that's what it is or not, but looks like little fossils in there, which is really pretty. So does this one too, actually. There are some wood beads here. Those could be really fun on like a chunky kind of necklace. There are more findings down here too. This is a earring back for people whose ears aren't pierced. I'm sure there's the other one in here somewhere. That's a beautiful piece of obsidian. There, bead, triangle, very nice edges on that. Look at this piece here. It's wavy. If you can see that, which is really fun. Oh, this is a little animal of some kind carved. What do you guys think that is? Comment below on what animal you think it is. Almost looks like maybe a bear or an elephant, but what a fun little bead there. There's some rose quartz, like our very first project we did together. There's just some gorgeous, looks like some carnelian. Some beautiful pieces in here. And then you've got like the fun little ones, all of these little wood and clay beads that are painted with little flowers. Those all tend to be hand painted, which is pretty cool. Earring backs. Wow, look at this one. That one's cool too. Very pretty. You could hang something through the center of this one and that would be really fun. Let's see, this is a beautiful piece. Looks like crystal quartz. This one's definitely crystal quartz here. That is also a beautiful piece. Oh, this is a brooch that you can glue things to the top of. And actually some of these pieces would be perfect for that. You just take a little bit of E6000 most of the time and you would glue it on and then that would be like that. And that would be a beautiful brooch. This looks like a really fun bead too. Not quite sure what it is. It's kind of got this copper coating on it, but it feels like probably clay, but that's just really fun and unique. This is a very big acrylic bicone bead. I don't think I've ever actually seen a bicone bead this big before. That's kind of fun. Most of the time they're really little. Okay, I think I could just like look through all of this for days, but I'm excited to see what is in the other one. So let's jump in and do that. All right, so bag number 2. I'm gonna try to not send this bag flying a little bit. You should see the floor of my craft room right now, covered in beads, but I mean, it's kind of always covered in beads. So, oh, another little turtle charm. Now I have 2, so I could actually make a really cute little pair of earrings with those. That's fun. Okay, looks like some more really fun goodies. All right. Wow, okay, so much cool stuff. Okay, let's see here. Oh, wow, this is also a piece of carved stone. Kind of looks like a leaf to me. What do you guys think? You think leaf or you think maybe a bird? Could also maybe be a bird. Comment below what you think of our little carved pieces, what they are. Those are so much fun. We have a rose quartz drop here, which is just a pendulum style. Very beautiful piece. And looks like some more carnelian, which is just gorgeous. And I've got more of these turquoise, which these would also make beautiful earrings. I got 3 of them now between the 2 bags, and that's just so fun. Also a necklace. Can kind of see that coming to life across there. A little piece of jade here. This one looks almost exactly like a leaf. That's really fun. Lots more earring components. I love making earrings. I know so many people in my life who love wearing earrings, so it all works out really well. I get to make them things and they get to wear them. Oh, here's another piece of carved stone. That one's definitely an elephant. Don't think there's any question here on what this little guy is, but wow, he's beautiful. Little tiger's eye there. Ah, that's beautiful. This would, it is reamed here for use, but this would also be a great brooch topper. Oh, look at how fun this is. You can put a gem or a bead up in the center and close those prongs in, and then it's like a little drop. Oh, these are awesome. They're crimp covers, and it makes it look like a bead, like a purposeful bead instead of like the findings, which just kind of puts this beautiful little finishing touch on pieces. This is a super fun bead. It's like wire wrapped with a glass bead in the center, which is just so pretty. There's lots of little finding pieces here. This is stuff that you can like always use. T-pins, eye pins, head pins, earring loops, and then little beads. I love all the little wooden beads in here. You can get something that looks really beautiful and natural. Very boho vibes on all of those wooden beads here at the bottom, the little ones. And so many beautiful gemstones here. Those are really fun. These fun little patterns. Amazing haul today. There are way more beads in 2 pounds than I thought that there were. So that was really fun. I got some really amazing pieces. It's always great to like update my findings and get all of those fun things. But I think what really surprised me was all of the beautiful gemstones that were in today's packages. I mean, we got some lovely rose quartz pieces and some jade, some clear quartz, a lot of pieces that look a lot like fossils, which the anthropologist in me just really loves. But my favorite finds of the day were definitely the turquoise drops here. These are just beautiful and I can't wait to make something. And I also really loved our little carved pieces. We got 3 of them. The one's definitely an elephant. The other 2, you guys will have to let me know what you think that they are, but they're really fun no matter what they are. Really love those. So it was just such a pleasant surprise to get to all of these really beautiful pieces in these Boss bead bags. And the other great thing was all of the flowers. So many flowers for this month's crafts, and I am just so excited, as you can tell with how many flowers I ordered. We are gonna have a blast, and we are gonna make the flowers come to May. Even if nature doesn't want to give them to us, we are going to make them happen with all of our beautiful flower crafts. So be sure to join me for those. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe. That way you never miss a thing. And be sure to check out my sponsor. They are the ones who supplied this awesome haul for me today, and they can be your supplier for all things craft related too. So check out the description box below for a link to their website. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know. I really had so much fun going on this adventure with you guys today, and I hope that you did too. Hope you got a little inspiration for some things to find and some things to make. I will see you in the next one.